Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I was doing my client's hair and I decided to film or just take a few clips just to show you guys the processes that I take with my clients to like lay down their wigs. So just in case you guys didn't know, I actually do hair in Vancouver. So if you're in Vancouver and you'd like to get your hair done, please definitely hit me up in the comment section or email me or DM me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram names here, or you can DM me on my hair page as well. So, first of all, I made this wig for her. She ordered her hair and I made it for her. So, first thing I'm doing is making sure that the wig fits her head. And now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off since we're sure that the wig fits perfectly. And I have started to use a razor blade to cut my lace instead of a scissors. So I find that with the blade it gives you a more precise cut, and it helps like just shaping things and make things better, because I find that when I use the scissors sometimes I can actually cut into the lace, or I can cut in a way that's not so definite and it's just higgy haga. But using the razor blade actually just helps makes things more precise. It helps I don't even know what I'm saying at this point, but it keeps things more precise and it keeps things neat. And I believe if you guys watch closely, you would understand and see what I mean. But it just made my whole life easier, and I actually enjoy using razor blades now for my 360 and my lace frontals. I think I would even use it for my normal closures as well, because it's just way better. And yeah, so now that I am done cutting the lace, the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is jump right into using the gel, because now we're sure that the wig fits her head perfectly, so we have no issues with that. And in the beginning, I think I started a clip of me actually trying to like twist the frontal a little bit, but I didn't show a lot of clips with that one. And now I'm using a gel, and this is a got to be glue gel, but it's not the typical yellow one or the black one that we're used to. This is a newer type of gel, and I find that this is stronger than the regular ones that most people use. I've used this on myself a few times and I actually liked it, and it gave me a longer hold and I was able to wear my wigs for a longer time than than normal. So I decided to use this on my clients. So I waited for the gel to dry and be a little tacky, and then I went ahead and I also used the got to be glue hairspray on top of the gel, because this actually keeps your wig in for longer than 2 days, which I think is a plus. So now that that is on, we're also going to wait for it to dry just a little bit, and then after it is dry, I'm going to go ahead and just put the lace right on top. And at this point I had put the lace on top and I already started to like do my baby hairs, and you guys know that I live for baby hairs. Like, I cannot do anything without edges or baby hairs or whatever you guys want to call it. And if you guys want a more detailed video on how I do my edges, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and I will like get that video out for you guys. I don't know why I keep saying but anyways, you guys can see that the hair is looking pretty good. Everything is laying nicely. Now she wants a side parting, so we're going to go ahead and get a precise part. But because it's a lace frontal, like, everything is just like, I don't know the word to use, but with creating a part, you have to twist it if you want a more definite part, if that makes sense. If you want a part that is visible, that people can see and know that, oh, you have a side part, then you have to twist just a little bit, which is what I am doing right there. But I don't twist so much, because I find that with AliExpress frontals, depending on what company, you have to be careful, because the more you twist, the more it starts to shed. So I'm trying not to do too much twisting to reduce the amount of shedding that I will get. So I just twist just a little bit, just a little, and now everything's looking good. So now I'm going to go ahead and straighten the hair. And after I straighten the hair, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little bit of flyaways at the top of the frontal, and all I did was just take my got to be blue hairspray and I just used that to lay down all of the flyaways, and everything was looking perfect. And at the end of this video, I had me a happy client who was so in love with her hair, and she was just smiling and so happy, and that gave me so much joy. Anyways, do not forget to like this video, share with your friends and your family and your enemies and everybody around you, and also don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time stopping by my channel. Thank you so much, and I will catch you guys in another video. Stay blessed and keep slaying. Bye.
Watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, and we be eating ice cream and